From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening. I'm student meteorologist Kevin Appleby for CNET with your evening campus weather service forecast on this Tuesday, April 19th. If you take a look at our College Township camera here around 3 o'clock this afternoon, finally featuring more in the way of sunshine after a cloudy start with some snow showers around the area. Most of that snow is already melted, unwelcome snow that is. It's mostly gone at the lower elevations, but notice here in Mount Nittany in the background, you can still see that snow. So where they got more snow, it's also trickier to melt, harder to melt, so that snow will linger for a few days, but we are featuring a warm-up in our forecast for this week. As of around 3 o'clock, we're at 43 degrees, but with a west wind at 24 miles an hour, it feels more like 33, so it's a bitter one out there. It feels more like the middle of winter as you're going out and about today. Temperatures as of around 3:08 p.m. show generally in the 30s and low 40s, colder out west. And with these winds, these are sustained winds being depicted here, upper teens and low to middle 20s across the Commonwealth. And you can even factor in wind gusts as well, which are going even higher than that, near 40 in Erie, 30s across the board, otherwise a little bit lower here in Pittsburgh. The wind gusts are definitely a huge factor, making it feel much colder out there. If these feels like temperatures, this is more of a graphic you're used to seeing in like January, February. We've got 19, it feels like, in Johnstown. Middle 20s from Franklin, Du Bois to Bradford. South and east, that's where it's a bit warmer, but still cooler than the actual air temperature. Satellite and radar as of about 3:09 shows some broken rain and snow showers moving across the state, just kind of wrapping in that counterclockwise swirl, coming off of the lake as well. There are a few pockets of moderate snow, could briefly reduce visibility, but in terms of accumulation, we got that out of the way. We're not expecting anything on that front for this afternoon. There's our storm system off to the northeast. It's going to continue pulling away from the area. Behind that, we have this clearing that's going to be with us for the day tomorrow. And out west, we have a little bit of a disturbance. It's a bit moisture starved. But behind that, that's where we're going to find much warmer air. As you can see here on the temperature map, it's 77 right now in Denver. And where you see these green colors, that's where it's in the 60s. You could see this trough digging deep here, much cooler air that's going to stick with us for today. But tomorrow, it will begin to moderate. So for the day tomorrow, with those clear skies, temperatures will rise. It's a bit low depicted here, below average still, but nevertheless warmer than the past few days. The clouds increase for Thursday, and we'll pick it up here with the European model. It shows pretty considerable line of rain that's going to be moving here, but it's going to get torn apart by the Appalachians. So while we'll feature the chance for some showers on Thursday, it's not going to be a washout by any means. For Friday, I think it's a little bit heavy with the clouds. I think most of Pennsylvania and Center County sees a lot in the way of sunshine. And we have another storm system off to the west that's going to drive north and bring a lot of clouds here for Saturday. But we mentioned it's going to warm up. By Friday, we're going to be beginning to enter this ridge here. It'll be mainly centered by then over the Midwest, but it'll continue to push east for the weekend. That storm system moves to the north for Saturday, and that's why we do have the chance for clouds. Could sprinkle here or there, but generally blue and white looks very nice. And then by Sunday, we're in the heart of this ridge, and temperatures will approach 80 once again. So kind of reminiscent of last week and far away from what it is like right now. And then as we go into Monday, it's a bit more questionable. We're still in the ridge. It's still going to be mild, but it all depends on the timing of this trough that's going to be moving in for at least by Tuesday. If it's a bit early, it definitely affects how warm we could get on Monday. Nevertheless, by Tuesday, plenty of clouds and some rain showers will be in the area. But for tonight, we've got another chilly one with decreasing cloudiness, bottoming out at 32 degrees, but with that west wind at 10 to 15, gusting over 25 at times. It's going to be another chilly one. You're going to want to bundle up. It's going to feel in the low 20s at times. For the day tomorrow, it's the upward trend. We'll top out at around 55 degrees. It becomes mostly sunny, a few clouds in the morning. Closer to average, still a little below, but a lot better than the past few days. And that wind calms down as well as we're west 5 to 10 miles an hour. As we take a look at that 7-day forecast, we'll look just how much we'll increase the temperatures by for the weekend. By Friday, it's a mostly sunny day and it's mild, approaching 70 degrees. Saturday, we take a little bit of a hit thanks to some clouds, but I think blue and white is a very nice day overall. For Sunday, mostly sunny skies. It really feels like summer out there. You're going to be getting excited for those summer activities. By Monday, we introduce the chance for some rain showers. Again, it's all on the timing of that trough, which looks to be more of a lock for Tuesday, as we'll feature mainly cloudy skies with some rain showers. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service and for CNET, I'm Kevin Appleby. Have a great night.